Hey guys, Sean with the Rhinestone World. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to fix any issues with the color palette. So you'll see here, I have two rows of color palettes and it's kind of getting cut off on the second row. So if you have this issue, whether it's one color or two, how we're going to fix it is right click our little magnifying glass right here, and it's going to open up our Design Wizard sizing. So the way this works, you'll see there's a close 1, close 2, open 1, open 2. So what it means by closed and open is our font window tab right here. So when that is open, we'll adjust the open settings. When it's closed, we'll adjust the close settings. So you can see when I open this, and actually my color palettes look okay when it's open. So we'll go ahead and close it. When it's closed, we have our 1 and our 2. So if it's one row of colors, we have our closed 1. If it's 2 rows, we have our closed 2. So with our EasyWeed color, we have 2 rows of colors. So I want to adjust my closed 2. So right now I'm at 100%. So I'm at 315. So I just need to adjust this number a little bit bigger so I can see more of my color palette. So I'm just going to come here, type 330, hit update, and now you'll see how that's adjusted. So you just kind of want to go through your one color. So our glitter one color, now you can see when it's closed, it's a little bit cut off too for the closed 1. So I'll come over here, adjust that to 315, update, and then you'll see how that opens that up. So just go through each one. So now we're open. One color looks good. And we'll go to our 2 color. And that looks good too. All right, again, this was Sean. If you guys have any additional questions, give us a call 941-755-1696 or shoot us an email at info@therhinestoneworld.com. Have a great day.